how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Alright, so the next exercise we will be executing will be the dumbbell shoulder press. So the purpose of performing this dumbbell shoulder press, right, is discovering that you actually encounter deviation and also balance issues. So this dumbbell shoulder press will help you to strengthen several muscles that will actually improve and enhance your balance and also deviation issues that you are facing. Okay, and also this exercise, right, it will also strengthen muscles such as deltoids, trapezius, and also triceps brachii in order to reach your goal, which is actually hypertrophy. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be commencing with the warm up first before we begin the physical activity. So the purpose of the warm up, right, is to actually prevent injury, and also this will help to maximize your overall performance. Okay, that you are about to actually begin with. So the first warm up we will be conducting will be the high leg swings. So how is this done? So I just need you to actually place your hand on something stationary. I will just need you to actually move your leg and swing it from front to back, and I may need you to actually do this for 15 seconds on both legs. Alright? So I just need you to demonstrate for me, and I will time you for 15 seconds. Ready? Go. The next dynamic warm up that we will be conducting will be the high knees. So this warm up is actually pretty straightforward. Okay, I just need you to place your legs shoulder width apart, ensure that your chest is out. So to actually raise your knees, right, I just need you to raise at the hip level and ensure that your knees try to touch to your palm. Alright, so this is how it's done, and I need you to do this for a total of 15 seconds. So this is my demonstration towards you. Okay. Alright, to touch it at the hip level. Try to perform this for 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready?
Yeah.
To conduct this exercise, we will be utilizing the dumbbell. Okay, not to worry about this dumbbell, is actually light, as you know that you're actually a beginner level. And moreover, right, there's also a bench that is being set up for you. Not to worry that this bench is actually ensure that it's working well with no damages, and also the height is modified suitable for you. Alright, so to perform this exercise, first of all, I'll be actually getting on the starting position first. So I'm already at the starting position. So since you're ensure that before you leave the dumbbell out, place the dumbbell with a close pronated width slightly wider than the shoulder width. So I will leave the dumbbell out now. Okay, on the pronated width slightly wider than shoulder width. Press the dumbbell over the head until the elbows are fully extended. So you have to press the dumbbell until it's fully extended. Alright, and also do not hit and bend the weights together, as it will cause several form of joint injury. And also do not actually overextend, as you could also injure your joint, and ensure that while being in this position, ensure that you maintain in the neutral spine. Okay, once you're at this starting position, right, we will now proceed to the downward face. As for the downward face, right, allow your shoulders to slowly flex lower than the dumbbell towards the head. Alright, and also ensure that your wrist rigid and also directly above your elbows. So this is how it's done once more. So being back at the starting position, ensure that you actually slowly flex your shoulders, lower the dumbbell towards the head, and ensure that to keep your wrist rigid and directly above the elbows. As you bring the elbows, the dumbbells down, remember to actually breathe in as you relax. So this is how it should be done. Starting position, going down, breathing. Now we're going to move to the upward face. So being in the downward face, as you go up, remember to push the dumbbell upward until your elbows are fully extended. Alright, ensure that to keep your wrist rigid and also directly above the elbows. Do not bend the weights. Alright, and also remember to maintain the 5 points on contact position where your glutes, back, shoulders, head is contact with the bench, and also remember to plant both foot on the ground. So as you bring the dumbbell up, remember to breathe up. So I will be showing to you. This is the downward face. As you go up, breathe up. Breathe in, you breathe out. Okay, now I'll be explaining to you some of the common errors and also the safety precaution. So during the upward phase, right, some individual will actually push with legs and rising off the seat to help to raise the dumbbell forward. So basically, what will they do is that they will actually push with their legs and also even rising up to raise the dumbbell, which is the wrong posture, which could cause injury, and also excessively arching the back during the upward movement phase. So they will actually, while instead of maintaining a neutral spine, they will actually arch, which is actually wrong, and also overextending your elbows as you go from the downward to the upward phase. So this is the downward phase, they will actually overextend. So now I'll be passing to you this dumbbell, okay, and I'm meaning you to actually position yourself on the bench. So since you are okay with what I said, I need you to perform for me for 3 reps, and I'll be squatting behind you whenever you're ready. Up, you actually managed to do most of the components correctly. However, based on my observation, right, you actually push with your legs when you're doing the upward phase. You actually push with your legs. This is actually some of the common errors. And also, you actually excessively arch your back during the upward phase. Yeah, this is actually incorrect. It actually cause spine issues, spine injuries. So, I may need you to actually do it another time in a correct position whereby you do not push the weights with your legs and also you do not arch your back while doing the upward phase. Okay, Sakti. So remember not to push your legs and also do not actually excessively arch your back. Okay, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in one more time, breathe out. Alright. So how's the exercise going for you? Alright, so there's also alternative exercise that you could actually do if you find this exercise is really hard with a weight. So there's also for regression exercise, right? If you find this exercise hard, you can actually utilize the resistance band to do your shoulder press, as it doesn't consist of any higher weight than the dumbbell. And however, for progression wise, you can also go on with the barbell shoulder press, which is much more challenging for you. So for regression wise, like this is the resistance band. So how is it done? Is that you may need to step on the resistance band, okay, shoulder width apart. You put the resistance band up to shoulder level. Okay, when you're ready, I need you to go to the upward phase by breathing out. Are you ready to actually proceed with the regression exercise? Okay, Sakti. So basically everything is the same. Just remember your breathing technique. Okay, your downward starting position. As you go up, you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright. Alright. So the next exercise, for the progression wise, as I mentioned, is the barbell shoulder press. So assuming that this is the barbell, alright. Assuming that this is the barbell, ensure that you actually get this grip around shoulder width level and ensure that the barbell is somewhere placed at your collarbone. Okay, remember to maintain a neutral spine. As you go up, remember to breathe out. So go down, remember to breathe in. So going to the outward phase, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. So just ensure that you maintain a neutral spine. So assuming that this is a barbell, okay, I'll be squatting you for the back. Neutral spine, engage core, go up, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe out. Alright. Alright, Sakti, so how you feel after performing the exercise?
Good.
Alright, great to know that. So before we actually end the session, right, I will be actually conducting a cool down, simple cool down. This is to actually prevent the delayed onset of muscle soreness due to the build-up of lactic acid, and also this is to actually regulate your heart rate back to a normal rate, and also this is to also prevent injuries, as to actually maximize your performance in the next workout. So the first cool down will be actually the quadricep stretch. It's pretty simple. I just need you to actually engage in the neutral spine, alright, and I just need you to actually raise one leg up, alright, and you can feel the stretch of the quadricep. Yeah, and you are supposed to do this on both legs for 15 seconds. Alright, so I may need you to actually demonstrate to me. Alright, so the next pull down stretch that will be engaging in will be the heel to toe stretch. This is to stretch your hamstring muscle. So how is this done? It's pretty simple. I just need you to actually place your leg shoulder width apart and ensure that you maintain a neutral spine. Alright, so before you head down, alright, I just ensure your chest is up and everything. Alright, so remember as you head down, do not actually bend your knees. Alright, try to reach to your toe. Alright, and ensure that you feel the stretch in your hamstring over here. Alright, so when you're ready, I just need you to perform this for 15 seconds. Do not bend your knees. Alright, try to reach to your toes. Alright. Okay. Right, do you have any questions for me before we end the session?
No question.
Alright, thank you so much for your participation.